Greetings everyone, I am Ankit Singh, a final year student from GL Bajaj, and today I will be presenting my project Resume. It is an AI resume analyzer. Starting with the project, I would like to mention that Resume is an AI powered web application that helps users analyze resumes, compare them against the job description, and receive ATS scores with personalized AI generated feedback. The main objective of this project was to solve a real world problem faced by students and job seekers, understanding whether their resume is optimized for modern hiring systems or not. This project combines front end engineering, AI integration, resume parsing, cloud storage, and a serverless authentication into one scalable platform. The motivation behind this project is that the project came from a very common issue faced by students and professionals during placements and job applications. Most applicants submit resumes without knowing whether their resume is ATS friendly, whether important keywords are missing, or how well their resume matches a specific role. Many resume reviews platforms are either paid, overly complex, or generic. I wanted to create a smart AI-based platform that could analyze resumes automatically, provide actionable feedback, and help users improve their chances of getting shortlisted. At the same time, I wanted to explore modern technologies like React, TypeScript, AI APIs, and serverless architecture in a practical real-world project. Now, the problem statement behind the project is that the traditional resume review is manual, it is time-consuming, non-personalized, and not ATS aware. ResumeMind automates this entire process using AI. Now, let's head towards the project demo, and I will show you how the project works. So here is the deployed link to my project. Now I have already used one of my resume for sample. Now let's just click on the upload resume. I will provide the company description, company name, the job title, and the job description. So suppose we are applying for a lead front-end engineer at Google, that is at entry level. I have provided all the job description details that a company might ask. It is a sample job description. Now let's just upload our resume here. Now I can select and deselect, or I can use another resume here also. So let's just analyze the resume. So it is now fetching the data, uploading, converting the PDF to image format, and the AI is analyzing it. While the AI is analyzing it, let me tell you one thing, that we are using Cloud Sonnet 4, which is the AI used behind this analysis, and we will further talk about the tools and the and the tech stack behind it. So here is the resume reviewed. This is my resume. You can see all my details here. Okay, so now let's talk about the resume review. I have scored a 65 out of 100, and it have judged my resume on the tone and style, the content, the structure, and the skills that I have provided in my resume. Next comes the ATS score, which is I have scored 70 out of 100. It have provided me with all the details that can be improved and that can be enhanced to make the resume have a score of more than required. Now I have also have here the detailed tone and style of the resume. What are the improvements that are need to be made? What are the changes that are need to be made for the tone and style, for the content, for the structure, and the skills? You will get a descriptive, a detailed enhancements and tips for your resume. Now let's talk about the tech stack that I have used for this resume analyzer. Now the one of the tech stack that I have used, starting with the React. I have used React here for the front end, as you can see here. When I go back to the home page, the front end is developed using React. I can upload resume here, I can reload from here, and once the resumes are analyzed, once the resumes are used, you can see them here. Now the comes the TypeScript. It is used for the type safety. Tailwind CSS is used for styling, and React Router is used for navigation. React Router v7 is used for the navigation part. Just10, which is a global set that helped me use the AI here. And for backend or cloud, I have used tutor.js. It helps me to integrate the AI in my project, and it is a serverless authentication system. You don't need to worry about how the user will log in or how the user will sign in. Tutor.js just does the job. Next comes the AI APIs, which are used for the resume evaluation, of course, and the cloud storage, which is for the resume persistence. And since my resume is connected to the cloud or tutor.js, I have deployed it there only. The development tools I have used are for the WebStorm, which is an IDE, and I have used Git for the version control. And let me show you the architecture diagram of this project. Now let's talk about the architecture of the project. So the user will log in and the user will get to the website of the project. Now first of all, user uploads a resume here. Now the resume is stored securely, and then the resume text is extracted, and the PDF is converted into an image format. Now when we head towards the resume, the user provides the job title he is applying for, the job description against which the resume will be examined. Next comes the authentication. Authentication is done by tutor.js. It is simple and it is without any hassle. I can easily trust it for the authentication and authorization. The user uploads the resume and stores it. Now then next, the resume parsing. Here the resume is converted into an image, and that image is analyzed using the AI. Now AI does the evaluation and the ATS matching, as you have seen previously that it was done by AI, the whole thing, and we get the feedback report for the resume that against which we have written the job description. Now let me tell you about the AI workflow here. The AI workflow is basically first it extracts the keywords that are in the job description and that are in the resume. Now we look for the semantic similarities here. We look for the skill matching and the feedback generation and ATS scoring. It is all done by the AI. And let me tell you one thing more. Instead of simple keyword matching, the system uses AI powered contextual evaluation, which improves accuracy and personalization. Now coming to the nobility or the social impact of this project. The nobility of this project lies in making career guidance and resume evaluation more accessible. Many students, especially freshers, do not have access to professional resume review services. ResumeMinds helps bridges that gap by providing AI-powered resumes analysis instantly and at scale. The platform can help students preparing for placements, job seeker optimizing resumes, and even institution guiding their students. And this project makes socially useful and impactful. Now talking about the scalability of this project, and it should be, the current architecture is serverless, it is lightweight, and it is modular front end. Now in future we can scale this project with a dedicated backend, AI embeddings, multimodal evaluation, and recruiter dashboard and analytics engines. The current system is designed modularly, which allows future integration of advanced AI pipelines without major architectural designs. Now the deployment of this project is done using tutor.js, and let's talk about next the challenges faced during the building of this project. Were the some of the major changes that faced during development were like managing asynchronous responses efficiently, designing a responsive UI that works across devices, and managing the state efficiency using Just10. And when we move on to speaking about the future scope, we can integrate it in the AI generated resume rewriting. We can help the students with interview preparation or job recommendation engine, and we can also integrate in the LinkedIn profile analysis. And now moving to the conclusion. To conclude, ResumeMind is an AI-powered resume analysis platform that combines modern front-end technologies to AI-driven evaluation systems. The project helping gain practical experience in React and TypeScript developments, AI integration, cloud-based architecture, and scalable product designs. In the future, this platform can evolve into a complete AI-powered career assistance. Thank you.